Hi guys, dahil birthday ng beshi ko, sinamahan ko siya to bake his own cake. Nagtry kami sa Taiwan's #1 and Asia's first DIY baking concept, ang I Did It Myself DIY Bakery in SM Mega Mall. Perfect place kung saan lahat pwede mag-bake at mag-design ng mga personal cakes nila. Choices of cake, cheesecake, decorated cake, fruit cake, custom cake, bread, and pastries. Alam nyo ba guys na kapag birthday month ninyo, you could get a free birthday cake for every purchase of 999 pesos and up. So we choose the blueberry cheesecake at akong gumawa ng 4 inches na free birthday cake niya. So challenge accepted guys, madali lang naman and it's a best baking experience ever because it's a beginner friendly po, and to all aspiring bakers, this is your convenient place for baking. The place is very clean and organized, and the baking station is perfect, well-rounded ingredients and equipments, plus yung mga helpful stuff nila on standby. So, madali lang siyang gawin guys. All easy steps, nasa tablet lang siya. Susundan nyo lang siya guys. And before you start, meron silang short orientation. So guys, try nyo na and check out I Did It Myself DIY Bakery at SM Mega Mall branch, open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. and start showing your inner baker self.